Let's talk about WLD coin and the price prediction. In the last WLD price prediction video that I recorded yesterday, I said we're shorting here, and short we did. We shorted a few minutes ago, and I'm looking to get a very nice nice dump to the downside. This is the exact level with the 10 AMA on the daily chart. So long-term price prediction, I am bearish for the day from right here, and short-term price prediction, I'm also bearish. So that's exactly how I'm planning to trade my chart, trade my trade. As I promised, I wouldn't waste a second of your time. So if you appreciate that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm up 246 to 262,000 here, 28 grand. As you can see, it's 1 a.m. and I'm recording and trading, so definitely if you appreciate it, do hit the subscribe button, and in the description down below you'll find a link to my course, which I believe it's very valuable because I've priced everything very cheap, so you can learn my strategy. I'll be updating it as well, and also there's a lot of bonuses you can claim from BloFin. All the links will be in the description down below. See you next video.